Hello, Dr. Onubeze. I one of the attendees of Mr. Habib's course from September last year. I did my exam September this year, and thankfully I had an excellent score, 82.33. I wish to recommend this course for everyone, because it was very useful. It was very helpful for me, and I found it very helpful. I would recommend it for anybody, anytime, any day. They had good materials, very specific for the exam, and they were always readily available for any questions and any queries regarding the exam. Once more, thank you for this huge success. I will recommend it anytime, any day. Thank you.